Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x plus y, where x square minus y square is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 6. From first equation, we have x square minus y square is equal to 5. Or taking square to both sides, we can write x square minus y square and whole square is equal to right side will be 5 square. We have taken this square to both sides. Or applying formula a square minus b square as a plus b times a minus b, we can write this term as x plus y times x minus y and this square is equal to this 5 square is 25. Or this x plus y times x minus y whole square, we can write this as x plus y and this square times this x minus y and this square is equal to 25. Or consider this x plus y as a. So substituting this term as a, we can write a square. And this x minus y whole square, we can write this as applying formula x plus y whole square minus 4 times xy. This is 25. Here we have applied formula a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4 times ab. Or here we have considered this a as x plus y. Now left side is a square as x plus y, this is a, so substituting this as a, we can write this a and this square minus 4 times this xy, the value of xy we have given as 6, is equal to right side, this is 25. Or left side, this is a square and this a square minus 4 times 6, this is 24, is equal to right side is 25. Or now multiplying these two terms, we can write a square times a square is a to the power 4 minus this a square times 24 is 24 times a square, and taking this 25 to left side, it will be negative 25 is equal to right side will be 0. Or this a to the power 4 and breaking this 24 to negative 25a square and this negative 25a square plus a square. This will be negative 24a square and this negative 25 is 0. Now taking common a square from these two terms, we can write a square times, here it will be a to the power 4 divided by a square remains a square minus, we have taken common this a square and it will remain 25. And taking common 1 from these two terms, we will get 1 times this a square minus this 25. This will be 0. And now taking common this a square minus 25, we will get a square minus 25, and it will remain this a square plus this 1. This is right side 0. So from here we can write a square minus 25 is equal to 0, or this a square plus 1 is equal to 0. So for first condition, we get this a square minus 25 is equal to 0. And taking this 25 to right side, we will get a square is equal to 25. And taking a square root to both sides, we will get a is equal to plus or minus square root of this 25. And we have taken this a as x plus y. So substituting this, we will get the value of x plus y. So x plus y is equal to this plus or minus square root of 25. This is 5. And we have also this a square plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here, a square plus 1 is equal to 0. Or taking this on to right side, we will get a square is equal to this negative 1. Now for real number, the square of any number is always positive, but right side is always negative. So this cannot be equal. So there is no real solution. So the only solution for real number, the value of x plus y is equal to plus or minus 5. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.